YouTube has changed the world. Gone are the days of not being able to know how to do something or do something better because of lack of knowledge. Like baking sugar cookies, or making fruit pizza, or fixing a dryer, replacing a water heater, playing horseshoes, and of course, getting rich. These are all things that anyone can learn by just doing a simple YouTube search. I've done my fair share of YouTube searches, especially regarding finance, and that's what today's video is all about. It is the top 5 finance YouTubers, so that you can at least stop searching through all of the finance channels on YouTube. And make sure and watch until the very end of the video, because I have some bonuses for you. I am Tiffany Thomas with WealthyTiffany.com, and I retired from my 9-to-5 at age 36. And if you want to retire early as well, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, and we're going to dive right in. All right, we're going to work backwards. Number 5 is Rose, and she created the YouTube channel Investing with Rose. She has a new video every Wednesday, and her tagline is "Money and Investing Made Easy," which is very true. She breaks down everything very, very simply. She is rapidly approaching 500,000 subscribers, which I am super excited about because I love to see success with other YouTubers, especially female YouTubers in the finance category. She bought her first share of stock at age 14 and has continued to invest since then. Not only that, but she has a finance degree from NYU, so she totally knows what she's talking about. So definitely check out her channel if you haven't already. All right, coming in at number 4 is Jason with the Honest Finance channel. He has almost 150,000 subscribers right now. His channel is a no-nonsense, no-frills, straight-to-the-point channel. He educates you on how to save money through really smart strategies, including how to buy a car without getting ripped off, and avoiding scams, improving your credit score, shopping for a loan, and investing. And in full disclosure, I do know Jason personally, so I can vouch for him when I say that he really does keep it honest on his Honest Finance channel. So definitely check out his channel as well. Moving on, number 3 is Tiffany Thomas. That's right, it's me. I wasn't going to put myself in here, but somehow my friend convinced me to let him write a script for me to say about my channel, so I'm adding it in here. And I quote, "She is a self-made millionaire and a hard-working up-and-coming YouTuber who quit her 9-to-5 and devoted her life to helping people become financially free. She's part of the FIRE movement, which means she preaches about financial independence, retire early. She's an upbeat, energetic finance wizard with a passion for at least 3 things: helping people have greater freedom in their lives through intelligent money management, investing, investing, investing to build her own portfolio, and kittens." She has many other diverse interests as well, including travel, fitness, religion, photography, modeling, dance, winning board games, philanthropic service, and virtually any adventure. Seriously, if you're not subscribed to Tiffany's channel, it'll take you half a second to click that subscribe button. Tell your friends, your parents, your kids, and your deadbeat brother-in-law because you know he needs the help. All right, that all being said about my channel, I want to clarify that I'm not really a model. I've done one modeling event. My friend owned a clothing boutique and she needed some models. So yes, I did wear a few different outfits on the runway for her clothing boutique, but that is the extent of my modeling career. And in all seriousness, thank you for watching my videos and hitting the subscribe button if you haven't already. And honestly, I feel like I can't really include my own channel in the list, so we're doing a second number 3, and this is Marco with Whiteboard Finance. Marco is amazing with putting all of his content onto his whiteboard so you can visually see what he is talking about. And although lately he did, I think, kind of get rid of his whiteboard, and now he has his content typed up for you, which looks very nice as well. And honestly, his content is very high quality. He lets you know what is going on right now in the finance world. Not only that, he is invested in real estate and of course in the stock market, and he's an entrepreneur. He likes breaking down all of the numbers and the meaning behind them. Another great channel you're going to want to check out. Next up is number 2, and this is Andre Jake, the Magic of Finance channel. And his channel is amazing because he has great content and then he'll tie in some magic tricks with it. So it is very educational, but also very entertaining at the same time. And although I don't always get all of his jokes, I'm sure that there are a lot of people that do because they like Pokemon or other nerdy things like that I'm not very into, but I still like to watch his videos. He likes investing in dividend stocks and he will share his portfolio with you. And he also talks a lot about cryptocurrencies. So make sure and check out his channel. It is very creative and educational. And last but not least, number 1 is Stefan. He is a young real estate and stock market investor who has been very successful with his YouTube channel. He has nearly 3 million subscribers now, so he is definitely one of my inspirations. And he has plenty of money that he could hire a full production team and writers and editors, but yet he doesn't do that. He still does most of the work himself. He is 5'8" and weighs in at about 130 pounds. But he is definitely a giant in the finance YouTube world. You could call him the Donovan Mitchell of the finance YouTubers, with all of that charisma and character and confidence and so much game. Yeah. If you aren't subscribed to his channel, you are definitely missing out. And just as a side note, have you seen who's at the top of the NBA right now? It's the Utah Jazz. Yeah, go Jazz. My dad and I are really big fans. Okay, maybe my dad is a bit bigger fan than I am, but nonetheless, I like the Utah Jazz. Comment below and tell me if you also are a fan of the Utah Jazz. All right, back to Donovan. I mean, back to Graham. Definitely look up his channel. You'll be glad that you did. And just in his honor, I'm going to say it. Smash that like button. It was really hard to pick just 5 finance YouTubers because there are so many great finance YouTubers out there. I just want to give you 2 bonus channels really quickly. There is Freedom in a Budget with Kelly Ann Smith. She teaches that a budget isn't restricting, that it actually provides freedom. And then there is Kristen Stones with Sense and Purpose. And she talks about saving and getting out of debt to live a debt-free life. So those are just 2 bonus channels that you can check out. And because I'm feeling very giving, I'm going to share the 2 Instagram accounts that I love following. One is Personal Finance Club. He has awesome graphics about investing your money or saving your money. And then there is Her First 100K with Tori Dunlap. She has awesome TikTok videos. I love watching them. So if you're on Instagram, check out those 2 accounts. Tell me in the comments who is your favorite finance YouTuber. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit that like button and share it with someone else who wants to hear more about finance on YouTube. And hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I did it!